Poetry. Unit number 3. Paradise Lost. John Milton. John Milton was born in London on December 9th, 1608, into a middle class family. He was educated at St. Paul's School, then at Christ's College, Cambridge, where he began to write poetry in Latin, Italian, and English, and prepared to enter the clergy. After university, however, he abandoned his plans to join the priesthood and spent the next 6 years in his father's country home in Buckinghamshire, following a rigorous course of independent study to prepare for a career as a poet. His extensive reading included both classical and modern works of religion, science, philosophy, history, politics, and literature. In addition, Milton was proficient in Latin, Greek, Hebrew, French, Spanish, and Italian, and obtained a familiarity with Old English and Dutch as well. During his period of private study, Milton composed a number of poems, including On the Morning of Christ's Nativity, on Shakespeare, El Allegro to Penseroso, and the Pastoral Elegy Lycidas. In May of 1638, Milton began a 13-month tour of France and Italy, during which he met many important intellectuals and influential people, including the astronomer Galileo, who appears Milton's tract against censorship, Areopagitica. In 1642, Milton returned from a trip into the countryside with a 16-year-old bride, Mary Powell. Even though they were estranged for most of their marriage, she bore him 3 daughters and a son. Before her death in 1652, Milton later married twice more, Catherine Woodcook, 1656, who died giving birth in 1658, and Elizabeth Mineschel in 1662. During the England Civil War, Milton championed the cause of the Prussians and Oliver Cromwell, and wrote a series of pamphlets advocating radical political topics, including the morality of divorce, the freedom of the press, populism, and sanctioned regicide. Milton served as secretary for foreign languages in Cromwell's government, composing official statements defending the Commonwealth. During this time, Milton steadily lost his eyesight and was completely blind by 1651. He continued his duties, however, with the aid of Andrew Marvell and other assistants. After the restoration of Charles XI to the throne in 1660, Milton was arrested as a defender of the Commonwealth, fined, and soon released. He lived the rest of his life in circulation in the country, completing the blank verse epic poem Paradise Lost in 1667, as well as its sequel Paradise Regained and the tragedy Samson Agonistes. Both in 1671. Milton oversaw the printing of second edition of Paradise Lost in 1674, which included an explanation of why the poem rhymes, not clarifying his use of blank verse, along with introductory notes by Marvell. He died shortly afterwards on November 8, 1674, in Buckinghamshire, England.